Mag-unboxing tayo. I bought a couple of things. Okay, I bought a couple of things and I wanted to unbox. So I bought 2 new cameras and I bought perfume. So I got it with me here and I thought it would be fun to unbox together. What do I eat in a day? Iba-iba eh. Depends on what my mom cooks. So, kanina, ang lunch ko, kinamatisang manok. Yeah, I think that's what it's called. Kinamatisang manok. Tapos ang dinner ko mamaya, pansit canton. Sarap. May almusal. Hindi ako nag-almusal kasi hindi ako usually nag-aalmusal. It depends kasi on what time ako magising. If I wake up really early, like 6 or 7, 8, yan, mag-aalmusal ako. But if I wake up at 10:30, hindi na kasi ang close na niya sa lunch, so I just eat lunch. Do you IF? Not really. Kasi ang IF dapat parang strict ka, diba? Like you do it every day, the same time ka lang kakain. No, basta sa totoo lang, pag nagutom ako, kakain ako. Calorie deficit. Calorie deficit siya ng hindi ko sinasadya. Kasi, basta kakain ako pag nagutom ako, tapos pag busog na ako, hindi, stop na, ganon. But yes, I do recommend shirataki rice. I feel like binago niya ang buhay ko. Tsaka, ang sarap. Feeling ko nakakakain ako ng rice or I don't feel deprived. And it's yummy. What am I gonna unbox? So, I have cameras. Ito, kakadating lang. Sana ito na yon in order ko. Where ka po nagbabay ng shirataki rice? I buy here, I'll show you. It's sa IG ko siya in-order from a user. Wait lang, search ko. Body by ALS. Yan, dyan ako kumukuha ng shirataki rice. Kasi, meron naman, of course, meron naman sa Blue app, Orange app, meron naman yan. Pero hindi kasi ako sure dahil may iba daw na shirataki rice, lalo na kapag medyo mura siya. May mga hidden starches daw na nilalagay, kaya it's cheaper. So, dito na lang ako nag-order sa trusted ko, kahit medyo pricey siya. Pero at least, sure ako na legit yon. Kumakain ka ba ng sweets? To be honest, I'm not much of a sweet tooth. Mahilig ako sa maalat. Yun ako. Ang dessert ko ay maalat ulit. Parang ganon. So, but every now and then, nagkikrave ako ng sweets. Like, ito, favorite ko yung Dubai chocolate. Sobrang favorite ko yung Dubai chocolate. So, yun, kumakain ako nun. Pero dahil hindi rin naman ako sobrang hilig, yung maliit lang na square, isang kagat lang ako. Mawala lang yung craving ko ng matamis. This necklace, this was a gift from my friend, si Ali Palma. She got it from Manila Diamond Studio. Tapos, gift niya sa akin. So sweet. Hair care routine. Mukha ba siyang alive? Parang nabubudol ata kayo. Uy, guys, tignan nyo. Ang dami kong baby hair. As in, OA. Meron akong spray, although hindi ko naman kailangan ng pampatubo ng buhok. Pero, nabudo lang ako nung friend ko. Binili daw niya, tas ang dami niyang tumutubong buhok. Eh, grabe kasi maglagas yung hair ko. Although, hindi naman manipis yung buhok ko, ang kapal pa rin niya kahit madaming nalalagas. Pero, trinay ko lang orderin yun. So, sprinay ko one time. Tapos, biglang, sobrang daming baby hair. Ibig sabihin nun, tumutubo, diba? Ibig sabihin nun, effective. Kasi ang daming tumutubong bagong buhok. Tama, diba? Kumakain ka ba ng cheesecake? Oo naman. Yan, gusto ko yan. Yan ang gusto kong dessert, cheesecake. Kasi hindi siya sobrang tamis. Anong brand? Shucks, hindi ko maalala. Check ko sa Blue App. Alam ko, nandun yun sa history ko eh. Ito, binili ko talaga to as in, hindi ko nga siya ginagamit palagi kasi naka-isang spray pa lang ako. Tapos ang dami nang tumubo. Eh, ayoko naman ng sobrang kumapalalo yung buhok ko kasi ang kapal na nga niya. Wait, search ko. Sana nandito pa siya. Ayun, ito. Korean ata to eh. Mediol. Scalp Strengthening. Yun yung tawag sa kanya. Mediol. Sorry, hindi makita. Pero yun. Amazing siya. In fairness, ang dami tumubo. I bought 2 cameras. So, one is an Osmo Pocket 3. And I've already owned one of this before, but I gave it to my sister, so I bought a new one. And this, I bought a new point and shoot. This is the Ricoh GR3 HDF, the newest one. So yeah. And then, ang dami kong pabangong bago. Meron akong bagong discovery. Dito ko lang din siya sa TikTok shop na discover. Sobrang natuwa ako sa kanya. So, if you guys know, if you've watched my other lives, you know that I love perfume and I collect perfume kahit paano. So, kahit ang dami-dami ko ng pabango, kahit na yung iba sa mga perfume ko ay mga mamahalin pa talaga, I've been having trouble finding perfume na naglalast sa akin. I feel like may something sa katawan ko or pH, something. Hindi talaga ako tinatagalan ng pabango. Kahit mahal pa, kahit ano pa. So, ang galing lang kasi, nabudol ako dito rin sa TikTok shop. Nitong pabango na to. So, bumili ako ng isa. Yun yung gamit ko. Last week ko lang siya nabili. Ginamit ko siya nung PBB. So, ginamit ko. I didn't expect much ha. Kasi sabi ko nga, mabilis lang mabudol. And hindi ko naman maamoy yung scent through the phone. So, I just took a chance. Tapos, my God, hanggang gabi, amoy na amoy ko. Sobrang saya ko. It's from Luminor. Sobrang happy ko kasi inexpensive siya, my friends. As in, ang saya-saya ko talaga. Tapos umabot siya, nagpunta pa akong ospital. Ang dami kong pinagdaanan ng araw na yun. Kung sino-sino nang dumikit sa akin, nainitan na ako. Tapos kinilig ako kasi nung may nagpa-picture sa akin. Sabi niya, bago mo naman. So, syempre kinilig ako, diba? That's like one of the best compliments. So, I think Cafe Vanille, yung first na na-try ko, yun yung scent. Cafe Vanille. It smells like, of course, vanilla. But, it smells like what a cafe would smell like when you walk in. You smell the coffee. You smell delicious. So, I really, really liked it. So then, I ordered more. I ordered so much more. Kung ano-anong scent. And I really like that it's so cute lang. It fits any bag. I love it. Para na siyang naka-decant. Kasi yung mga pabango ko ang bibigat, sa totoo lang, kaya minsan di ko na siya dinadala, di na ako nakaka-retouch. In fairness dito, hindi ko kailangan mag-retouch. Sobra akong natuwa. So, binili ko lahat. Ewan ko kung lahat na to, pero lahat ng nakita ko na available, in order ko. Madami daw silang bestseller eh. So, hindi ko pa na-try. Si Cafe Vanille pa lang yung natatry ko. But ito, I bought others. Ito ata yung bestseller nila, si Cherry Oak. Ito yung tatry ko next. I like vanilla scents and fresh scents. Yun ang hilig ko. Yung either amoy labada ka, amoy kang bagong laba, bagong ligo, or you smell like vanilla. Yun yung sobrang favorite ko. Namumutla na yung bibig ko. Wait. For the retouch, hold on. Where's my mirror? Ayan! Fresh na tayo uli. Parang ang lakas ng ilaw, no? Pero pag pinatay ko naman, wala na. So anyway, ayun nga. Sobrang natuwa ako dito. Nakita ko lang ito, nire-recommend siya sa TikTok shop. Napakadali ko talaga mabudol. Everrose. Di ko pa naaamoy yung iba dito. Si Cafe Vanille pa lang. Pero nakikita ko sa comments nila, laging cherry oak daw yung mabango. Tsaka si Vanilla Eclair. Ito na nga si Vanilla Eclair. I think ito ang gagamitin ko. Yummy. Ay, ang bango. Oh my God, this reminds me of Ariana Grande. Ariana Grande's pabango. Ang bango! In fairness, hindi siya yung vanilla na nakakasuka. May mga vanilla kasi na sobrang tapang na nakakasuka siya. Parang ang overwhelming. Ang bango. This doesn't smell so much of vanilla though. Okay. You need to wait for it to sink in your skin. Sink in. Saan ka nagpapagawa ng kilay? Hindi po ako nagpapagawa ng kilay. This is it. Kilay ko talaga yan. Ganyan na talaga. Makapal talaga yung kilay ko. Oh my God, I love this. Ang bango. Shucks, ang bango. Hindi ko alam kung mali yung pang-amoy ko, pero it smells like a little bit of vanilla and very clean. It's Vanilla Eclair. Very, shucks, ang bango. Okay, I think this is the one. Yan na ang next na papasok ko sa bag ko. I was actually thinking of also doing a what's in my bag. Like, what's in my work bag. Would you guys be interested in a what's in my work bag? I'm a big bag girl. Parang morena ka na, huh? Talaga? I wish. I tried to tan, but nothing happened. Hey, baby, lock them doors and turn the lights down low. My lippy is this. Cathy Doll. It's their bare tint. Papasok ka ba ng PBB? Hindi na. Host na po ako. Hanggang labas lang ako. What's my hair care routine? You know I don't have a hair care routine. I think maganda lang ang pagka-blower ko for today's video. I think yun lang yun. Although, siguro hair care, yeah, it's considered hair care, but I use a hair oil. Yun lang. Yun na yun. Sana mag-get ready with me ka. Pag nag-get ready with me naman ako, lagi niyo ako minamadali. Do you use any lip liner? Not today. Nag-tint lang ako. So, let's unbox. Because I'm so excited to unbox. Tsaka, diba, kapag bumili ka sa online, kailangan videohan mo yung unboxing mo para kung sakaling may problema, marireport mo. So, eto na. Meron na tayong 1,700 people. 1,700 persons. Madami tayo dito. Witness. May witness nyo kung may sira. Pag binuksan ko to. Lip tint reveal. This is it. Do you drink many water? No, I don't. I don't. Well, not all the time. It depends. If I'm just at home, then yes. I try to drink a lot. But if I'm not at home, I don't like to drink kasi ayokong umiihi sa labas. Okay, so yeah, I have two cameras. One is a point and shoot. And one is a vlogging cam, my Osmo. I love that Osmo so badly. Okay, let's open. Logi? Na-logi siya. Charot. Okay. Wala akong cutter. So, kids, don't do this at home. Ayoko na lumabas. Please, sana ito nga yun. Sana walang sira. Ewan ko ba, I don't normally buy cameras online. Except if it's from a legit store like Henry's or Camera House. Ewan ko ba kung anong naisipan ko, ba't ko ito binili? Ayan tuloy, wala siyang warranty. I feel so stupid. But wala, andito na eh. Na-excite kasi ako eh. Na-excite ako, gusto ko na agad siya. Tapos parang nakalagay last one na, so na-pressure ako. Wala naman nagpe-pressure sa akin. Pressure ko yung self ko. Okay, delikado tong ginagawa ko. So, ewan ko, ba't ko siya ginagawa. Okay, almost. Oh my God! It really is it. This is really is it, is it? In the flesh. In the flesh, in the flesh. So, I already have a point and shoot camera actually. Meron na akong camera na ginagamit. I have the Fuji X100V. But, I don't know what part of I need to save money do I not understand. It seems that I am unable to comprehend what that means, and I cannot stop buying stuff. So here it is! OMG. So sana binibidyohan nyo to para pag may sira, masasend ko dun sa shop. Nautusan pa kayo, sorry na. Pero parang it's carefully packaged naman. Okay, okay, looks good. This is brand new by the way. I just took a chance kasi nakita ko naman sa reviews niya na okay naman. So, hopefully okay talaga siya. So, here it is. How much yung Fuji? I got it for 100. Or, no, sorry. 95. May kasama pang ipis. Naste, pinatay ko. Sorry. I got my X100V for 95K sa Lens Trade Manila on Facebook. Free ipis. I know, right? The ipis was also from China. I love that. So, what's my haircut? I don't know. I haven't cut my hair in a long time. Okay. So, this is it. Let's open together. So, I got the GR3 HDF version. Because I was able to try the GR3, the first one, the GR3, and I liked it because it's very compact. So, the problem I had with my Fuji, ito, to be completely honest, I've gone through so many different cameras. And I'm never happy. I'm never satisfied because it's not you, it's me. It's not the camera, it's me. Tanga. Tanga kasi ako gumamit ng camera. Hindi ako marunong. Lagi lang ako naka-auto mode. Tapos pagtingin ko, blurred pala yung mga shots ko, ganyan. Tapos yung sa X100V, magaganda naman yung mga shots in fairness. In fairness, okay naman. May mga hit or miss talaga, may mga malalabo, may mga blurred, or hindi ko ma-figure out yung focus. And yung naging problem ko rin sa X100V is medyo malaki pa din siya. I have it here. I'll show you. Hindi naman siya sobrang laki, but hindi siya kasing liit nito. So, this is the X100V. Not the VI, not the 6. This is the 5V. And I really like it naman. Sulit pa din siya. I won't sell it. I've enjoyed it. Na-ROI ko naman na siya. But, when I got my hands on the Ricoh or Rycoh GR3, ang sarap ng buhay kasi ang liit ng camera. Sobrang gaan. Sobrang perfect. Pocket size. Pocket friendly. Hallelujah! Okay guys, paki-check ang unboxing. Ito. Unboxing. Hindi marunong mag-unboxing ng maganda. Hindi aesthetic. Gusto ko sana aesthetic yung pag-unboxing ko eh. Pero wala. Ito na. Okay. Ito na siya. Maganda siya. Kompleto naman. May battery. Everything. Slay. It seems like a slay. Hindi naman ako na-scam, guys. Okay siya. Ito na siya. How much did I get the Ricoh? 65. 65. Ito na. Do you have a Leica camera? No. I think di ko deserve yun. Kasi I don't know how to use cameras properly. I'm not magaling. I can't navigate. I don't understand these buttons. For for sure I'll just be on auto mode. So I don't think I deserve to splurge on a Leica camera. So this is the Ricoh. See, it's so small compared to my X100V. And I bought it accessories already. So I'm so excited to bedazzle this and personalize it and add pink stuff on it. Yay! I'm so happy. In fairness, it's a good buy naman. I'm not scammed. So later, i-charge ko siya. At dun talaga natin malalaman kung gumagana siya. But for this unboxing, okay naman. May nag-report na naman ng live ko. May nag-report ng live ko. Oh well. That's nice. That's nice. Okay, yun lang. May nag-report ng live ko, so hindi ko alam kung dapat i-unbox ko pa yung Osmo dahil baka i-report ulit. Yay, I'm so excited to use this. I'll let you guys know kapag nagamit ko na siya. I bought this sa Orange app. Orange app, kaya medyo siya talaga. It was a bit of a risk. Pinapapawisan ako. Wait lang. The camera, Ricoh. Ricoh Blanco, hindi. Ito, Ricoh. Ricoh with an H. Ricoh with an H. Ricoh. Ay, bawal sabihin ng brand. Oy, sorry na. Tinatanong nyo kasi. Paano ba yun? May lakad ka, wala po. Wala akong lakad, pero galing akong outside world. I shot some content. Ang payat mo na. Alam mo, wala naman nagbabago sa akin masyado, guys. Ang timbang ko ay the same pa din. Siguro sobrang lakas ko mag-gym lately. Anong hair oil ko? Iba-iba. I have 3 kinds of hair oils. Let me show you. Hold on. Hair oil number 1. Hair oil number 1, number 1, number 1. Hair oil number 2. Number 2, number 2, number 2. Hair oil number 3. Ay, baliktad. Ano ang timbang mo? 47 kilos. 47 point something, something, something. Iba-iba siya araw-araw. 47.80 something, 47.20 something. Depende talaga. Thoughts on pulag sa cat. Okay, pag-usapan natin to. Kasi no isang gabi di ako makatulog sa pikon ko dyan eh. Kakasabi ko pa lang na gusto kong umakyat ng Mount Pulag because I want to see Pugal, the cat. Pugal looked like he was living his best life there up in the mountains. Just, you know, living the life. People feeding him, people loving him, giving him affection, etc., etc. Tapos one day, malaman-laman ko, may nag-report daw sa kanya. So, syempre, napikon ako agad. Ang instinct ay pikon. Parang, bakit? Inaano ka ng pusa? Diba? Pusa lang yan. Anong sinasabi mong threat? So, okay. Before someone comes at me also, I'm not an environmentalist. Hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit siya threat. So, bakit nga daw ba siya threat? Kasi ako naaawa ko dun sa pusa kasi that's the life he's known. He's been there. He's lived there all his life. So, parang tapos hindi ko pa alam kung saan siya dinala, kung sino ang kumuha sa kanya. So, sobra akong nag-worry, sobra akong na-stress. Tapos, may nagsabi na tinali lang daw siya sa baba. I'm like, bakit naman? Ba't naman? Saan siya dadalhin? Parang ano ba? Inaano ba kayo ng pusa? Paano siya naging threat? Iisang pusa lang siya doon. Hindi ko gets talaga. Hindi ko maintindihan. Although, sabi may point naman din daw yung nag-report. Pero talaga ba? Is it worth reporting si Pugal seryoso ba? It's not like he's a threat to the wildlife there. Sabi nga ni Ate Klang, ang OA. So yun, medyo na-OA-yan lang ako dun. So ngayon, hindi ko alam kung nasan siya. Ewan, parang kawawa naman yung pusa. Paano ba siya naging threat? I just need someone to explain to me paano siya naging threat. I need to understand. Because I don't understand. I see Jellycats. Oh yes, I have 2 Jellycats. I want more. I love Jellycats. True, super kawawa, diba? So, okay, tinanggal nyo si Pugal doon. Saan nyo siya nilagay? Request get on ready. Okay. Sige, pwede naman. We can get on ready. After 10 minutes. I think I should repeat the live. Kasi na-report ako eh. Funko Pop Wicked. Yes! Nakikita nyo pala. My Funko. Do you have Lover cardigan? Yes, I do! Oh my gosh. I was contemplating talaga if I should buy the Lover cardigan. Kasi, hindi siya mura. And I have the other cardigans na. I don't need another cardigan, but I kinda do need another cardigan if you know what I'm saying. I need the Lover cardigan. So, ayun. Ang saya-saya. I love the Lover cardigan, by the way. It's my favorite one. Sabi ko nga, tawan-tawa ko sa meme na what part of I need to save money do I not understand? Parang, hindi ko maintindihan. Save money? What? What? I don't know her. What are my vitamins? Ay, patay, hindi ko alam. Basta binibigay ng nanay ko, iniinom ko. Nakatali si Pugal sa last. Ay no, pikon na ako, kawawa. Ang alam lang ni Pugal, yung simoy ng hangin, yung nature dun sa Mount Pulag, tapos tatanggalin niyo yung pusa. Catskill birds daw po kasi. Ang dami pong endangered birds. Ah, ganon. Ayawan ko na. Basta naiinis ako. Wala naman na din tayo magagawa kasi tinanggal na si Pugal dun eh. Ba't sabi sa news may mag-adopted na? By who? By who? Ang swerte naman nung naka-adopt kay Pugal. How do you do your brows? Just a brow gel. I just do brow gel kasi makapal na siya. So, I don't fill it in unless I need the very bold look or kailangan medyo heavy yung look. But on usual days, how do you portion control and maintain that kind of body? Okay. That's actually something na hindi naman pinoproblema, pero yan yung worry ko din eh. Kasi okay, pumayat ako. Now, the hard part is the maintenance. So, sometimes, nandun pa din yung thoughts ko when I eat na, oh my gosh, after this, I'm gonna be so fat. May mga ganun thoughts pa din ako sometimes na, oh, if I eat this, I'm gonna have to go extra hard sa gym. Ganyan. Because eating this might make me gain weight, blah, 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 blah. So, yun, I just try to combat those thoughts and remind myself that food is fuel and I need to eat because I move, etc. How did you achieve slimmer arms? So, I think I lost weight kasi everywhere. I lost weight sa face to the point na lumubog yung under eyes ko kasi I lost the volume sa face. So, I think I accompanied it by workout then. I do calisthenics. So, we want them muscle. I just want it to be toned. So, yun lang talaga. I didn't necessarily want to be, like skinny. I didn't want to just be thin. I really wanted to have muscle and be fit. What's your thought on 2,000 pesos scrunchies? What? 2,000 pesos scrunchies? Are you serious? Where? Where do you find those 2,000 pesos scrunchies and why are they 2,000 pesos? May gold ba siya? Is it made with 24 karat gold. What is that? Why is it 2,000 pesos? Why? Do you use silk pillowcases? No. Naiirita ako sa texture ng silk pag mainit, sobrang init. It's a local brand. A local brand is selling 2,000 pesos scrunchies? What? That's crazy. That's crazy. That's quite crazy. And people buy it? That's the question. Do people buy it? Kasi baka naman trinay niya lang, shooting their shot. Why not? Try ko to ibenta ng mahal. Tignan natin kung may kakagat. May kumagat ba? Kasi wow, I think ang daming money to burn nun. Sana all. But the question is, what's the scrunchie made of? Is it made of gold? Because look, meron binigay sa akin na scrunchies yung fans namin, si Mom She's of KD Lex. And I love these scrunchies. I use them for the gym. They're silk. I don't think your scrunchie needs to be 2,000 pesos. But if you want that, go ahead. I'm not gonna rain on anybody's parade. If that's what you want, go ahead. But I don't think you need it, I don't think anybody needs a scrunchie that's 2,000 pesos. That's kind of crazy. It's giving crazy. Not gonna lie. It's kind of crazy. It's sold out. Oh my God. So, okay. So, there's a market for that. Wala tayong magagawa dun. They can price it that way because people buy it. People support it. People thought the target market was masa. So, obviously, it's not. But actually, like when I go to makeup shops before, may mga scrunchies din talaga, or not scrunchy, but hair ties na nire-recommend din for brittle hair, or scrunchies, hair ties na maganda daw kasi it prevents tears in your hair or breakage, ganyan. So, okay, kaya mahal. Pero ako, well, siguro kasi I've never had problems naman with my hair like that. So, I don't understand why we charging so much for a scrunchie. This is my problem now. My under eyes won't stop creasing. I hate it so much. I set with powder, although wala naman tong powder, but I set it naman. I don't get it. Still creases. Sobrang lalim na nung lines ko sa under eyes. Saan ka punta? Wala, dito lang. Your hair looks so healthy na. Thank you. Hiyang ako sa Dyson. Sa Airwrap. It's what I use to do a blowout today. Perfume Reco. Oh my God. Okay, I was just talking about this. So, I have a lot of perfumes. But, I mean, not naman super a lot. I know people who have a lot more. But, I still think this is a lot for one person. So, I have cheap perfumes, I have mid-range perfumes, and I have expensive perfumes. Pero, nahihirapan pa rin ako makahanap ng perfume na tumatagal sa akin. Ako na talaga ang problema eh. I don't know, kasi it has something to do with pH, right? Your pH level, something. Ang alam ko lang kasi pH care. So, ito, may pH din pala sa ating katawan. So, apparently, karamihan ng mga pabango ko ay hindi siya bagay sa pH ko. Hindi sila mixed. I don't know. I don't know how to explain. But, yeah. And then, I'm telling this story again. I already told it kanina. Nabudol ako sa TikTok shop. Kasi mabango daw. May kaamoy daw na pabango ko na inexpensive. So, I'm like, okay, let's see. So, I bought it. And then I used it. I used it nung PBB last Saturday. It's from this brand. The scent I got was Cafe Vanille. And I was honestly so blown away to the point that I had to get some more. Kasi sabi ko, oh wow, I can smell it. I didn't have to spray so much and amoy na amoy ko siya. And the best part is, Tapos na ako mag-host ng PBB. Pumunta na ako ng ospital. Anong oras na ako nakauwi. But I could still smell it. And someone complimented me. Sabi niya, nagpa-picture siya. Sabi niya, ay, ang bango niya. Kinilig ako. Kinilig talaga ako. Not gonna lie. Saan pwede mag-order dito? TikTok shop. TikTok shop ko ito na-order. Ewan ko kung paano pa iba. But I do have a lot of perfumes then that I really, really love. Like, my favorite scent of all time. And I feel like this is my signature scent. It's by Rose Blanche. And I also really like vanilla scents. But not the super vanilla na medyo suka. May mga ganun kasing vanilla na parang sobrang overpowering. And I really like Dior perfumes. Really good. Really good also. Yeah. I love that you're spending time with your friends. Keep it up. Thank you! Actually, I mentioned sa last live na I really wanna go out some more. I am an introvert and I'm a homebody. So I just love being at home. Like, no FOMO at all. I'm so happy here at home. But then I realized, okay, I'm 25. I think ito yung time in my life that I should be going out. I should be experiencing things. You know, I should be hanging out with friends. Kasi the people my age and the people younger, that's what they're doing. So sabi ko, okay, I don't wanna get older and have regrets that, oh, I didn't go out. Oh, I wasted my youth by staying at home only. There's nothing bad with that. If that's what you want, you go do that. But I was having those kind of thoughts. Now, I think I should go out. I think I should, you know, hang out with my friends. I'm always saying no. I'm always saying I'm lazy, I'm busy, making excuses. So yeah, I said, let's go. And ang saya. Magastos, pero masaya. Yun lang ang napansin ko. Magastos siya. Is this my natural hair? Yes, it is. It is my hair. All of this is mine. I just air wrapped it this morning. So, medyo bagsak na siya. You guys like my hair today? Really? Okay, I should air wrap it more often. Ginaganahan akong maligo because of my air wrap. Kasi natutuyo siya at the same time na nasa style siya. So, saves time. You look like an American girl. Thank you. Are you going out tonight? No, I'm not. I'm just staying home. I went out this morning. I shot some content. And now I'm just home. So, I'm gonna get on ready in a couple minutes. Nag-rewatch ako ng PBB. Mas bet ko yung makeup mo ngayon mas soft. Oo nga eh. I guess, I was trying to find myself. Hinahanap ko pa ang sarili ko ng mga panahon na yun. Wow. Kung ano yung look na gusto ko or kung ano yung aesthetic. Wow. Kung ano yung gusto ko. Dati parang gusto ko laban na laban. Pak na pak. Makeup. Ganun. Buong buo. Ngayon, buo pa din. Pero kalma lang. Kalma lang. So, ayan. Tsaka na-realize ko na why am I trying to look older? Why I should be milking my youth, you know? For as long as I can. So that's what I'm trying to do. Just keeping it fresh. Just keeping it light. And yun yung mas bagay sa akin. Kaya even when it comes to me wanting to have retoke, I've always wanted lip fillers for the longest time. And for the longest time, I would overline my lips. Lalo na nauso si Kylie Jenner. I would overline my lips. And then, na-realize ko, when I look at the pictures, I'm like, bakit parang tumanda? Bakit? Hindi pala bagay. Hindi bagay sa akin yung ganon. So, yan. Tanggap ko na ito yung binigay sa akin ni Lord for a reason. So, ito na yon. I need to stop wanting to look like everybody else. A. Better lock them doors and turn the lights down low. Bawal mabulok. Totoo. Anong base ang gamit mo? Wala akong foundation. Naka-filter kasi to. Kaya napakakinis talaga. But there's no problem naman if you want to, get retoke. It's fine. If you're off age, if you have the money, go ahead. Kung yun ang magpapasaya sa'yo. Tsaka medyo natakot din kasi ako. Kasi minsan, alam nyo yung app na Facetune. Tama, Facetune. Minsan, ini-edit ko yung mukha ko. Pinapalaki ko yung lips ko. Pinapaliit ko yung nose ko. Ganyan. Kung ano yung feeling kong maganda ngayon. Yung malalaking labi, sobrang tangos ng ilong. Ine-edit ko ng ganun. So, sobrang hindi talaga siya bagay sa akin. So, sabi ko, hindi na para. Hindi talaga para magparitoke. Hindi siya bagay sa akin. So, ayun. Kaya ito na yun talaga. Siguro, may nag-recommend na din sa akin na magpa-filler daw sa under eyes. Kasi nga, when I lost weight, I lost volume. And pinaka nakita ko siya sa under eyes ko talaga. Lumubog talaga. Umitim na, lumubog pa. So, syempre sabi ko, Dr. Bello, ayoko to. Pero, ayoko din magpa-filler. So, wala. Inject na lang tayo sa under eye. Nagpagawa ka ba ng nose? Hindi. Parang, when I see my old pictures naman and videos, ito pa rin naman yun. Siguro nung pumayat, numipis ang ilong, pwede ba yun? Nasa starstruck ka pa rin ba kay Marian Rivera? Of course. I don't think magbabago pa yun ever. Forever talaga akong masa-starstruck kay Miss Marian. Kasi, grabe yan. Grabe ang mukha talaga. I love her so much. Hindi ko alam. I think dapat lalabas ako tomorrow eh. Labas kami dapat nila Shania tomorrow. This is my case. I saw someone asking. Mofu. I love Mofu Sand. This is my current addiction. Mofu Sand. Everything Mofu Sand. Okay. Let's, remove makeup na. Let's remove it. Where is my makeup remover? Oh no, don't tell me natapon. Wait. Real ba yung lashes mo? No, ano lang yan? Dinikit ko lang. Where's my makeup? Ayun. Hold on. Nag-iisa na lang. Kailangan na ng bagong makeup remover. Cute yung MCR at the back. This one? Yeah, I love that. Shy and Karen, yes! We have a date tomorrow, but I think mamumove. What's my favorite Nicki song? Ooh! Ooh! I really like Magnets. I love Take Care. May Nomi ba sa Saturday? Sa pagkakaalam ko po, meron. But, I'm not so sure. Do you know that there'll be a reboot of Desperate Housewives? No way. No way. Are you serious? Is that real? Still same actors? No way, oh my god. Where can I see? I mean, where? Proof. I need proof. Same actors? Kasi parang hindi ko alam if gusto ko pa if iba. Do you read books? Yes, I do. But I haven't read a book in a long time. Honestly. Kapit-bahay niyo ba si Mayor Vico? Hindi ko po alam. But I think he's from Pasig, obviously. Anong exercise mo? So, I do calisthenics at Sparta in Mandaluyong. I work out almost every day. Depends if I have work, then I don't go. But if I don't have work, I'll be there for sure. Bias sa PBB? I can't have a bias. I'm a host. Any procedure na ginawa mo sa jaw mo? Okay. So, it's not a procedure. It's a treatment. Kasi injection lang siya. Hindi siya opera. Hindi siya... It's non-invasive. So, I did V-Contour Ultra kay Dr. Bello. And I feel like that changed my face shape. As in, if you saw pictures of me before, sa arms, I didn't do anything. I swear to God, believe me or not, I did not do anything to my arms. The V-Contour I only did to my face. Kasi ang pinaka number one talaga na kinailangan kong baguhin was the shape of my face. Kasi kahit pumayat na yung katawan ko, my face was still big. Kasi I guess it was the bone structure na din. So yeah. Yay, we clean. We clean. You take Sherman Oaks. Where's my supply? Saan yung supply ko? Ang kalat-kalat. Okay, ibang supply na lang muna. Mahal po ba yung V-Contour? I believe. Paki-check na lang po. Please inquire sa Bello. I did it 4 times. I did V-Contour Ultra. So, there's a normal V-Contour and there's a V-Contour Ultra. I did the Ultra. Yung ini-endorse ni Ate Kim and is the greatest in the world. I love that as in. But, you can only do it 4 times. So, I think 4 times lang. And, if you feel the need to do it again, if your face hasn't changed, you can do it again. I believe whatever your doctor suggests. But, yung sa akin, I'm okay na. So, 4 lang. Nagpa-Barbie arms ka ba? Nope. I wanted though. And I wanted trap talks. Pero pag nag-workout daw, wag daw kasi tinutunaw din daw niya yung muscle. So, I didn't wanna lose any muscle. I want to gain muscle. So, hindi ko muna siya ginawa. Wipes? The makeup remover wipes? I'm not gonna mention it kasi my live might be restricted again. But there. My necklace is from Manila Diamond Studio. Masakit ba yung V-Contour Ultra? No, kayang-kaya. Although my pain tolerance is pretty high. Pero kayang-kaya kasi you put topical anesthesia. So, you won't really feel much, honestly. Maki-feel mo lang yung gamot pumapasok. But it's not painful. For me. Iba-iba naman tayo. What's my secret? Why did I lose weight? You know, guys, there's no secret. I'm not gonna tell you anything new. I worked out. I changed my eating habits. I had treatments done. I did everything I could do. to lose weight. I mean, there's nothing new there. Inverted ba camera mo? I don't know. How do I check? Did you do keto? I tried that before. I hated it so much. I hated that so much. I feel like nasusuka ko every time I eat. Sorry. But I hated that so much. It wasn't for me. Keto wasn't for me. I've tried every diet known to man. Military diet. What else? Atkins diet. Everything. Nothing worked. Except when I just ate normally. And shirataki rice. And yeah, if you're asking if I took any slimming coffee, I take Lux Slim. But not just coffee, even the juice. But my favorite is the Lux Slim Decaf Macchiato. Because it helps me go to the bathroom. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Ang healthy ng hair mo. Nabubudol ko kayo today. Thank you. I think maganda lang yung pagka-blow dry ko sa kanya. Your dresser from LSD said you were really nice. Oh, thank you, Jasmine. Talaga ba? Sometimes I feel like unintentionally, di kasi ako sobrang lively masyado pag nasa work. So, minsan feeling ko unintentionally baka I'm not as warm as I should have been. Can I see your lip tint, the Bear, this one? It's cute. I have a lip tattoo din kasi before, but maganda talaga yung color niya. Parang sarap kainin. And you can also use this as your blush. Hindi nakaka-dry. No, hindi. And I love that. Hindi siya nakaka-dry. Kailan ka magpi-pre-loved? Malapit na. Malapit na. Promise. Aayusin ko na ulit. Unbox the camera again. You want me to unbox the camera again? Pwede naman. Yan, I bought 2 cameras. Sa Gastadora. Now I'm broke. Now I've got no more money. It's gone with the wind. I can't wait. This is the greatest. TBH. Tried and tested. The best. Sana ka bumili ng lip tint? You can buy it Orange app, Blue app, and I believe meron din dito. Be, kapag ba lalaki mahal ka, mag-effort, bigyan ka ng, sorry, I don't understand your question. Be, kapag ba ang lalaki mahal ka, mag-e-effort, bigyan ka ng oras, kahit gaano ka busy. Be, kapag mahal ka. Are you asking me if bibigyan ko siya ng oras, kahit gaano ka busy? Or I don't know, where's the question there? Sorry. Anong name ng tint? Hold on. I'm gonna show you na lang. Meron ako dito nakasarado pa eh. Wait. Coffee. Hold on. Teka nga, bakit parang hindi pa pala nila binibenta yun? Wait lang. Hahanap ako ng... Hold on. It's this one. Na-screenshot niya na? That's the one. Cravings mo pa rin ba ang mag-Korea? Super cravings. As in, super talaga. Kaya nga ako bumili ng mga camera eh. Kasi dapat magta-travel ako eh. Hi, Tita Noreen! How are you? What's that My Chemical Romance guy behind you? This one? I have a lot of My Chemical Romance guys. Hold on, let me show you. Hold on. I'm gonna... Ow! Ang sakit ng katawan ko. So, I have Anik-Aniks. I have more. Yung iba ay nakatago lang sa kung saan-saan. Pero ito yung mga nandito. Ang kalat na nga tignan, I know. But kapag nakalipat na ako ng house, they will be arranged better. So, I have my Mofu Sand babies here. Mofu Sand. And I have ang daming pusa. I know, right? Pusa is life. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna flip the cam. And I'm just gonna show you. But how do I flip the cam? I don't know. Where is the camera flip switch? More. Never mind. Shucks. Hindi ko alam paano i-flip yung screen. Double tap. Wala. May heart lang na lumabas. Sorry. Paano yun? Double click. I'm clicking. Heart lang ang lumalabas. Double tap the screen. I am. Nothing's happening. May mga heart lang. Settings? Saan ba yung setting? Patay na. Ayoko na. 3 dots sa baba. Ay, tanga. Ito pala. Flip cam. Ayan. Thank you, guys. Okay. So, this is my Mofu Sand. That's my hipper. There, Mofu Sand. Mofu Sand. So much Mofu Sand. Ang daming mga pusa. And then, dito sa taas, I have my Funko Pops. Hala, bakit naman kayo lumundo dyan? So, this is Sally from Nightmare Before Christmas. I need to fix this. These are my villains. My villain books. And my Corpse Bride. My Jack Skellington. Stitch. Yan, anuhan na sila sa likod. And, who is this? Pino Jelly? Something Jelly. And we have Wicked! Wicked! May nag-report na naman ang live ko. Report na naman yung live ko. Bakit naman? Pinapakita ko lang naman yung mga anik-anik ko. Why? Ayaw nila makita yung anik-anik ko. Para ma-block. Ayaw nga. Bakit nga? Ayan, yung mga Hirono ko. Hirono. Ayan, yung My Chemical Romance. And then, I built this Lego Friends set Lego. And then, I have 2 Jellycats. And some toys. And this is where I keep my mementos. Like yung mga cards na bigay ng loved ones or mga concert tickets. And I'm so sad kasi I kept all my concert tickets. Nalagay ko sila sa booklet talaga. Tapos pagkita ko, burado na lahat. Burado na lahat ng nakalagay sa concert tickets ko. Badoy. Badoy. Pangit ka bonding. So these are my perfumes. I mean, it's a lot, but others have more. Do you use Kindle or Kobo? No, I don't have that. I don't have that. I want one, but I don't need to buy something new again. That's all I do. Buy and buy and buy. Nawili na mag-buy. I just bought 2 cameras. So, I think stop muna. Tama na ang gastos. Sana. Natural hair. Yes, all natural. I haven't read all of that. Dati, oo. Kaso, ang dami nang nagbigay sa akin ng bagong book. So, hindi pa. But, yeah. Nireport naman ang live ko. Bakit naman ganun? Bakit naman? I don't have any hair secrets. Mukha lang siyang healthy. Pero, hindi masyado. So, I guess, tapusin na natin to. Total, nire-report naman yung live ko eh. At kakain na lang ako ng pancit canton. Deserve ko yun kasi ang lala ng mga gym ko ng mga nakaraang araw. At bukas mag-gym ako ulit. So, ayun. May bago na naman akong paglalaroan. Pipicturean ko muna sila. Proof of purchase. Wow! I will put them here. Gumastos na naman siya. Nag-check out na naman siya. Hindi na naman nakapagbigil. Ikaw ba si Patricia sa Doble Cara? Yes, that was me. Bakit nagtatanong ko nagparatoke ako? Bago basta. Mukha ko, ano ba nangyayari? Baka pumayat kasi ako. So, numipis ang ilong? Pwede ba yun? Ito lang. Hindi. Hindi ako nagparatoke ng ilong. Ito pa rin yun. Ay, ang ganda ko doon. Tourist. Wala, may lumilipad. Ano yun? Te, bakit may gamo-gamo dito? Saan ka galing? Two restrictions, si OA. Si OA, bakit? Because you are promoting a brand? Hindi. Hindi TikTok. Pinapakita ko lang yung mga toys ko. Bakit naman? Bakit naman ako napagbintangan? Hindi po ako nagbibenta ng laruan. Oh my gosh! Kath Dean together! Slay. Joint slay. I love that. Ala! Nag-reply sa akin si Binimika. Ala! Ala! Kinikilig ako. Ala na. Kinikilig ako. Nag-reply sa akin si Binimika, guys. Sabi niya, smiley face. Siya nag-smiley face, pero ako ang napasmile. Wow. I love it. Thank you, Binimika. Gorgeous, gorgeous girl in a gorgeous, gorgeous world. Binimika, turuan mo naman ako mag-makeup. Ang kagaya ng sayo. Ang ganda-ganda mo. Mas maganda ng walang makeup. Thank you. Parang babae yata ang gusto mo. Si Binimika po. Anong shade nung gloss? Basta yung color red. Walang shade na nakalagay eh. Ikaw talaga ang inspiration ko sa pag-workout. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. For the health. For the health. Saan ko nabili yung hairbrush? Gift lang to sa akin eh. I don't know. Sorry. It was just a gift to me. It says my name. Vinimika. May PCOS ka ba? No, I don't have. Why? I bought Word Power Made Easy because of you. Yay! It's fun, no? It's fun. Naglagay tayo ng hair oil para matuyo din siya. So far, I'm loving it. Yeah, it's fun. Tapos pwede ka pa makipaglaro din sa iba. Black hair looks good on you. Thank you. Anong time na? It's time to eat, guys. Let's eat dinner. Do you prefer using fan kaya sa aircon? Most of the time. Kasi, hindi naman sobrang init dito. Let's eat dinner na, guys. Total, ni-report lang din naman ang aking life. Kumain na lang tayo. Kain tayong pancit canton. Yan ang aking dinner today. 2 pancit canton with egg. Pink looks good on you. Thank you. Thank you. Do you eat rice sa dinner? I eat shirataki rice. Huwag ka magpancit canton. Bakit po? I love pancit canton. Minsan lang naman. Hey guys, bye. Let's eat. Thanks for watching my live. Thanks for joining.